Founded in 2003, Longkong Fushi Packing Machinery Company Limited has developed plastic extrusion machinery, vacuum forming machine, fruits cleaning, waxing, and grading machine, PS or PE foam sheet extrusion line, PE foam net extrusion line, PE cap liner foam sheet extrusion line, totally about 20 kinds of machines, which are widely used in the fields of fruits, making and processing, furniture packing, food, electron, arts and crafts, and construction industries. We are a manufacturer of plastic packing machinery. During 10 years of development, we are experienced in machinery manufacturing. The performance of our machinery is always on the strict quality. We have passed ISO 9001 and CE certifications. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Depending on strict products quality and effective after-sale service, our company enjoys great reputation among our customers. The products are selling well in about 20 provinces in China and also exported to several countries and districts. Our effective after-sale service could always guarantee regular technical support to our customers. We, located in beautiful seashore city Longkong, 80 kilometers away from Yantai, 200 kilometers away from Qingdao, and 170 kilometers away from Weifang, enjoys greatly convenient transportation. We are pleased to welcome domestic and overseas friends to visit us and cooperate with us.
Hello everyone, we are Longkong Fushi Packing Machinery Company. The main product of our company is plastic extrusion machinery, vacuum forming machine, PEPS foam sheet extrusion line. We also can produce the machine according to the request of our clients. We are one of the leading manufacturers of packing machinery. During development, we have experienced in machinery manufacturers. Depending on product quality and excellent after-sales service, our company enjoys great reputation among our customers. This is our sales team.
Welcome to visit our company.